Hello everyone, David Lewis here. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. This one has to be probably the best one so far. So, as part of our business, we have a software division and we sell subprime software to dealerships that are still in that market. And this software, you lease it on a 2 or 3 year lease for between $600 to $800 per month. And we have a dealership that has been using it. It's got to be for at least 10 years. And they're paying around $600, $700 a month. Their lease is up for renewal. And we called to renew the lease. And the secondary finance manager tried to get it done. And she called us back and said he doesn't want to do it anymore. He wants to save the money. Now understand, she sells between 18 to 22 subprime deals a month using this software. A week later, we got a call from her, and she asked if she went to another dealership, would we sell the software to that dealership? And of course, we said yes. So a couple of days after that, we got a call from the dealership actually across the street that wanted information, and they ended up leasing the software. And in leasing the software, they also got this young lady who sells 18 to 22 cars per month, left the dealership and went over there. And then the dealer from the dealership where she worked before calls me and is mad at me for stealing his secondary finance manager. I said, I didn't steal your secondary finance manager. You lost her, but you saved $700 per month. And now he's mad because his 18 to 22 cars per month just went across the street. You've got to be kidding me. How do you not give your people the tools to do their job and take it away just to save a few dollars? And sometimes we wonder why we're not making more money. Good luck, everyone.